Hi friends, my name is Dennis and I am Kashy's dad. Kashy, are you ready?
Yes!
Today we are going to be making hand sanitizer. Kashy, do you have an apple?
Apple.
Good job. Is this apple good?
Apple.
Can Daddy have a bite? Can I have some of your apple? No? Okay. We are going to start off now with making hand sanitizer. Yes. Okay, so what we have here for our hand sanitizer is we have a 4-cup plastic measuring cup. We have 4 3.35 ounce containers, like 4 individual bottles. We have a small Rubbermaid plastic dish that we're going to just use to kind of mix things up. We have a plastic funnel. There you go. There's your funnel. Okay. We have some mixing utensils. Orange. Say orange.
Yes.
Red.
Red.
Spoons. 1 for Kashy. 1 for Daddy.
Daddy.
Say 1.
2.
2. Good job. We have 91% isopropanol alcohol. Ooh, Daddy's going to hold this one, okay? And we have some aloe vera gel here. Usually this aloe vera gel is used for sunburn. But we're going to also use this as a moisturizer so that the alcohol does not dry our hands out too bad. The reason why we are making hand sanitizer is because, as everyone knows, everyone is crazy right now about this COVID-19. Everything is out of stock in the store. Tissue paper, hand sanitizer, even the prize alcohol. So we decided to make our own, and we'll leave the store-bought stuff for those who really, really want it bad. So what we're going to do first, are you ready? Here we have a 91% isopropanol alcohol. Our mixture will contain 2/3 a cup of alcohol to 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel. And we will use that so that will be a highly effective hand sanitizer. Precious, where are all of our mixing utensils? Let's make the solution.
Yes!
All right, let's pour some alcohol. We are going to pour 2/3 a cup of alcohol. And we are pouring. All right, are you going to mix it up? We have to be really careful. Mix. Okay, this one now. Here, want to use the red spoon? Mix. Can you say mix? Okay, let's put those down. Okay, and let's get our aloe vera. Now we are going to use our aloe vera gel next. Okay, we are going to be doing our aloe vera next. So we're going to pour our alcohol right into the bowl here first. All right. Okay. We're going to push that forward. Okay, let's put this in here now. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to do 1/3 a cup aloe vera gel. All right.
Cut.
Yes. Good job. A little bit more. Okay. There we go. So what we have here is about 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel. Now, what we'll do next is going to be fun. We are going to pour our alcohol into our aloe vera gel here. So we're going to pour it in there. That'll give us a bigger container to mix everything into. All right, you get one and Daddy get one, okay? Can I have one? Let's mix. 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 Help? Okay. You want this funnel? Okay. We're going to mix. You got it? Mix. Sonora. Mix it out there, right? Uh-oh. You got it? You okay? Did he get you? Okay. Mix it all up. All right. That gives us a nice slimy green consistency. Next, let's open these up, Kashy. Come on. Let's open these up now. Oh, you got a little bit on your hand. Let's wash your hands. Wash your hands. Good job. Okay, now we're going to open up our 4 travel containers. Which color would you like? Would you like blue? Okay. I have green. I have clear, white. Say white.
What?
And pink. Good job. So let's unscrew our containers. Go ahead and help. Can you help me? Thank you. Good job. How about this one? Got it? Thank you. How about this one? Thank you. And how about the last one? Thank you, Cassius. You are doing such a good job. Let's count the container caps. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now we're going to take our funnel, put the funnel inside of the container here. Are you ready? Wow. Okay. This is where it may get messy, friends. Let's pour our solution inside of the container using our funnel and our measuring cup. Are you ready? Let's pick it up. Okay, we're going to pick it up here. Hold it. Good job. We're going to pour it in here. Here you go. Okay, let's fill it up. Wow, Cassius. You are making hand sanitizer. Okay. Let's put the container cap on. Close it up. Let's do our next one. You got it? Go ahead. Get your container. Good job. Sit it on the table. Good job. Go ahead and get your hand sanitizer. And let's pour it in there. That one looks a little chunkier. Good job. Let's take that off. Oops. Put the container cap on. And close it up. We are going to do that again. We have our funnel, our hand sanitizer. What is left? Let's put it in there. Shake, shake, shake. All right. Now, I'm going to take that out. Good job. And we'll close it up and we'll use that in an emergency. Let's give Kashy some for his hands. We'll get a little bit out of our container. Wash your hands. Wow, Cassius. Hand sanitizer. So what you should do is take the hand sanitizer, cover your entire hand, fully wet. Let's wet them up again. Pour it in your hand. Let's use a different one. Here you go. Okay. Pour it in your hand. Okay. Good job, Cassius. Let's look into the screen and say bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
This is how we make hand sanitizer. Good day, stay safe, and happy quarantine. Kashy, where's the science kid?
Cash.